Right.
What you had, baby?
I had the number 8, 2 cheeseburgers, and the 10-piece nuggets.
Gotcha. What was your price?
Sprite, ma'am. The medium Sprite.
Regular price.
Yeah, just, it was a medium.
I need a 10-piece It was a regular spot, 10-piece, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What's your sauce?
Barbecue and then some zesty sauce for my fries.
Hey, 69 already.
There you go. Thank you.
How about you, Ray? Thank you.
Thank you.